What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going to the More Cubing with Cougars cube competition. So, that'll be fun. This is actually the second cube competition I've been to. The first one were 2024 competition. But I didn't record that one. But yeah, right now I'm just getting my cube bag packed up. The rest of the stuff I need is downstairs. So yeah, I'll keep recording when I get to the competition.
Now, do you know how cheap t-shirts have that smell and feel?
Okay, I'm here at the More Cubing with Cougars competition. It's really quiet here, so I have to be quiet. Welcome.
Hi.
Welcome. I'm just gonna do some practice solves right now. So, yep, I'm at station 3. So, there's like no one here right now. There's like nobody here. But, yeah, once the competition actually starts, I'll start the video. So, ready?
8 seconds.
Oh, 75.
25.
I saw you were messing with the blue one.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna have my hands like here.
Okay,
Is that good?
yeah, that's good.
Alright. That wasn't a good scramble. It was okay. My hands are cold.
I know.
Hey, Leo.
Hi.
My brother's my judge. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Wait. Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. Oh, wait. My hands are so cold.
So,
Just write the time.
okay, time. One.
Yeah.
Are you 24, the judge?
No, just write,
For me.
write,
My initials.
Just L8.
Okay, now you sign.
Oh wait, no, you're supposed to write L8 right here for the judge.
Okay, you just wait here.
I just got 33. So. Okay. Ready.
Okay.
28. That's good. For me. And then right LH right here. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Alright. Ready. Nice. 17. Yeah. One more saw. I had a 26 at the end, but it's because my finger slipped. I think I'm gonna get really good. I think I'm gonna get second round in 2x2. I think I'll get second round in 3x3 because I got a 17 and a 26. All of them were better than my other solves except the 31 that I got.
Yeah, it's okay. Well, but they disregard the best and last, right?
Yeah.
Or the shortest and longest.
Yeah.
The other thing to remember, maybe, like even if there's 100, what did I say, 150?
150.
Not everyone is doing
Yeah.
every event.
Yeah.
Like it's less skewed.
Yeah.
And like
Yeah.
some people might be getting confused.
Ready.
Alright. Yeah, just write your number right there for me.
I got a 5.7. Forgot to record it. I got 2 6s, a 9, and 2 5s.
That's great though.
Yeah.
It's really good.
I think 5.4 is what they take out.
Yeah.
But then you had 5.7.
Yeah. So,
And
that was pretty good.
That's really good.
Yeah. Next is Scube, and then that's it.
Yeah. But then we have to wait until awards. I mean, unless we don't.
Wait, why do we have to wait till awards?
We don't, I guess, if you don't. I don't know.
No, no, I guess we can stay.
We can figure it out later, maybe.
They don't have a raffle this time.
I know, I'm really bummed they don't have t-shirts.
Next is Scube. Yeah. I got a PLL skip.
I'm so proud of you, man. Big Mac, fries, and Sprite. Is that cool?
Yeah. I got a PLL skip. Well, you don't have to do the top layer, it just skips. Yeah. I didn't make it into the second the second round for 2x2 or 3x3. I don't know how this is gonna go. Alright, let's go. Alright, ready.
Vienna.
No, it's not a +2.
+2.
No, it's not a +2. It's not over 45 degrees.
Yeah, it's like
It's like
slightly
44 degrees.
slightly less than 50, yeah.
Yeah. All right. 9.1. 9.1.
L8. There you go. Go.
Oh yeah, I gotta sign it.
Yeah, I wrote down.
Shut up.
You shut up.
It's fine. It's fine. He's my brother, so it's okay. Alright. Again?
Yep. I don't care.
I'm gonna judge again.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Let's go. Oh god. Okay. Ready.
What time did you get? Cube is like my actually worst event. Cube is my worst event by far. Statistically,
6.6. Here, I'll just show you here. 6.6. Yeah. Alright. So far, I've gotten a 6 and an 8. So, I'll have to reset it. Okay.
Hi, Dad.
Alright. Is this like a good view for the cube? Hold on.
I got
Ready. $14.441. Thank you. Table number 7. Give me the chance. Alright. Ready.
Nice, man. Dude, that's awesome, buddy.
9.995. Almost 10 seconds flat. Last one for Scube. Ready. Ready. Oh. Okay. Oh.
Man, yeah, that's awesome, buddy.
14.789. My stalls were like all over the place though. Like it was like two 14s.
You did great. Keep that. I just
Wait,
get
Dad,
one.
no. I didn't get that. Okay. Okay. Thanks, Dad. Alright. That was okay. Yeah. I don't think I'll make second round. No. 76. But look, they're all getting as bad times as me, though.
You did awesome, buddy.
Yeah.
That was really good. That was really good.
He's right there. Yeah.
Were you able to keep your order going?
I think so.
Nice,
Yeah,
okay.
but it might be upside down. Like, I don't know if this is upside down or if this is upside down. Like, I don't know with my phone. The competition is over now for me. These are my top. Here, I'll just read you my stalls. 3x3 average 24.62, single 17.83, 2x2 average 6.37, single 5.41, and then Scube average 11.18, and then the best single was 6.60. So all PBs for me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.